Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Marlene's Menagerie. My name is Marlene and I'm so glad you could come and join me today. I'm doing another cleaning video, and so I got a list of things I have to do. It's nothing real organized. I'm not doing like a kitchen or living room cleaning. It's just things I have to get done around the house that I have to clean. So I thought I'd take you guys along with me, and I have a list here and I'll show you what I have to do. So on my list, I have to empty my dishwasher, I have to change and wash my sheets, I have to do some laundry, and then I have to dust downstairs and then clean the downstairs bathroom. And in the downstairs bathroom, I do have to take off my shower curtains and wash them and clean out the vent. So I thought I'd just take you guys along with me today, and this is what I normally do. I write down a list of the stuff I have to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So the first thing I got to do is empty my dishwasher. As I said before, usually I have my daughter empty this, but she got up kind of late this morning, so I'm going to do that for her. I think this is one of my worst chores to do. I really hate emptying the dishwasher. Put down in the comments below, what is your worst household chore to do? I think mine is dishwasher, but I do love to do laundry. That is one of my favorite things to do for some odd reason. So here I'm taking off the backside of the shower curtain. They always get really dirty and grungy, so I'm going to wash those. And I did the upstairs and the downstairs. I usually do that about every couple months. Now I have to change my sheets. I usually do that about once a week or every other week. I do that to my bed and the kids' bed. I do like to throw a little bleach in with those shower curtains. They just seem to get more clean. Now I'm using Endust product, and I'm dusting the downstairs. And this is one of my least favorite jobs to do too, but I try to do it every so often, otherwise it gets really icky and gross downstairs. I also like to use a microfiber cloth for dusting. I feel like it collects the dust a lot better than just a regular cloth. This mirror is such a pain to dust because you can't really wash the mirror because of all the little holes. So I just try to dust it the best I can, and it still is not super clean, but oh well.
And I like to use a lint roller. My dog always rubs up against these curtains and they're kind of white, and she has black hair, and so it shows on the curtain. So I use a lint roller and I try to lint roll the hair off. And as you can see, I got a whole bunch of hair off here. And I also like to use lint roller on my lampshades and some of my stuff that I have on my dresser and my end tables. It just gets the dust off better. Now I'm washing my windows. I do use Norwex rags. I got these rags a long time ago at a sister-in-law's party, and honestly I don't have a link for them. They're pretty old, so I know other people that sell them, but I do not sell these. They do work good though for cleaning windows. You don't have to use anything but water, and then you just kind of use the rag and then you use the other purple cloth to get a streak-free finish. I'm onto cleaning my downstairs bathroom. I try to vacuum it out so I can wash the floor when I'm done cleaning the bathroom. So in this clip, I'm using a half mixture of vinegar and a half mixture of dish soap. And this is what I use to clean my showers. So it's 1 part dish soap to 1 part vinegar. You can also throw in some baking soda if you want to be crazy. And it cleans the showers pretty well. I do like it, and it's a pretty natural cleaner. So I do still use my vinegar and water spray to clean my bathrooms. I find that it works. I'm not a super like antibacterial person. I feel that vinegar and water cleans it just fine, and I've never had a problem. So that's what I use. I do also like to wipe off my white cabinets every time I clean my bathrooms because they always seem to get dirty, as white cabinets always do. Here I am cleaning my downstairs shower with my vinegar and Dawn dish soap spray. I do let it sit on there for a little bit, and then I always use kind of like a Scotch scrub pad. That's what I usually use. I'm trying to find something different because they seem to wear out really fast. So if you got any suggestions, leave me a comment below, and I would love to hear those. I'm just doing a small wipe down of my floor. I do sometimes like to deep clean my grout, and I think what I use is the bars cleaner for the grout, and actually it gets the grout pretty clean, but you have to let it sit on there for a while and use a toothbrush. So, and here I am. I had some Goodwill stuff to bring to the Goodwill, so I just decided to pack that up real fast. And I do love doing laundry. I don't know why I do, but it's kind of therapeutic for me. I love to fold it, and I actually used to work a lot in retail stores, and so I have a kind of weird way of how I like to fold clothes. It's how retail stores fold their clothes, and I'm just kind of weird like that, but I like to do it that way, and I just enjoy doing it for some weird reason. And maybe I am the only one, but I fold my laundry right when it comes out of the dryer, and I always put it on top of my dryer, fold it. I actually wish I had a shelf in here, but I don't. But I guess if I had more than 2 kids, I probably wouldn't be able to fold it on top of my dryer. But it works for me because I just have just enough people in my family that I can do that too. And now my backs of the shower curtains are nice and clean, and so I'm going to put those back on. And I did put the one back on upstairs, but I did not videotape that or record that. And now here I am cleaning out the vents. I do like to clean these out about every 3 or 4 months. They seem to get really dusty and gross, so I do clean those out. So it feels great to get all of my stuff accomplished, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give me a like if you do, and remember to subscribe down below on that red button, and go follow me on Marlene's Menagerie on Instagram. And I also have a lot of other cleaning videos and grocery hauls and cooking videos, so go check those out. And I hope you all have a great week and a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.